cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is so different, guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Pepeto.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Now, guys, major announcement alert. We have officially surpassed over 1.4 million subscribers. Guys, I am so ecstatic about this, so happy. The channel growth over the years has been absolutely explosive. It's been such a long road, guys, over 6.5 years, but we finally done it. Check out my brand new studio, guys. New neon sign, new design, new vibes. Guys, we are always growing here at Professor Crypto. And of course, check out my gold plaque from YouTube sitting in the background, guys. Shout out to the YouTube Creator Awards team for sending me this. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the recognition. Thank you so much also to everyone who subscribed to the channel over the years for the love and support. We would be nothing without you. Love you all too, as always. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, watching my videos, liking, commenting, sharing, everything, guys. I really do appreciate it on behalf of me, myself, and my entire team worldwide. I can't wait to see the further growth and how much higher we can take the channel in the future, guys. There is so much potential, endless possibilities. The sky is the limit. So let's take it there, guys. Now, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've got another massive announcement to tell you about, guys. On October 31st, yes, on Halloween of this year, I was awarded Content Creator of the Year by Entrepreneur Magazine. Check out the award sitting in the background, guys, right on the wall in the studio here. Honestly, guys, I am so thrilled to share this with you. Another massive slam dunk award that me and my entire team worldwide are so very proud of. All of the insane grind and hard work that we've been putting in over the years has finally been recognized by major brands and companies worldwide, and we are so ecstatic to share that with you. So once again, thank you for being part of the journey, guys, having faith in us and continuing to support us. As you guys have probably noticed, I'm back in the studio from an amazing trip to Singapore, covering the largest crypto event in the world, Token 2049. The entire experience, guys, was absolutely insane, especially the journey there, guys. Worked on some huge collaboration projects with the Redacted team, shot some crazy content. We made history with this one, guys. The first ever chartered Web3 event in the sky. We had a blast in general, and above all, guys, we networked like crazy throughout the entire trip. If you guys noticed in the background as well, beside my Entrepreneur Magazine award is my trophy from Token 2049. Guys, we kicked it off with a super massive accomplishment. I was awarded Best Content Creator of the Year at the DGen Summit KWAL Awards, which is an official side event of Token 2049. What an amazing honorable award. Again, guys, similar to the Entrepreneur Magazine award, it felt so good, guys, to be recognized in the industry as we put a lot of time and effort making sure that the content that we produce for you is very high quality and enjoyable. Aside from that, guys, the event has been absolutely unreal. We had so many cool experiences and interactions with massive top brands in the industry, many of which you definitely know, guys. We vlogged the entire trip on our Instagram page from A to Z, as usual, going nuts with the stories, guys, so you guys can live through all of the experiences with us and not miss a single moment, capturing the main events, the side events, the interviews, the dinners, the drinks, the parties, the girls, the immaculate vibes in general. So make sure you go check out the Instagram page, guys, for all of the exclusive juicy content. Follow along with us on every single trip, guys. Show us some love, hit us with a follow, slap us with some likes, and enjoy it all. So many amazing goodies and surprises coming down the pipeline for you guys later this year. Stay tuned for all that's gonna be phenomenal. The full video on Token 2049 and these most recent events are coming out real soon, guys. We're working day and night around the clock to pump those out for you. Now, guys, some more recent updates after Token 2049 and several events after that. The last international event that we attended and covered most recently was Binance Blockchain Week at the Coca-Cola Arena in Dubai. Guys, it was absolutely phenomenal. I had a great time, as you can probably tell from the stories. This was one of the biggest crypto Web3 blockchain events in the world. As usual, guys, we made sure to vlog every minute of that for you on our story. Again, everything available on our Instagram page, guys, so go check out out the Instagram detailed story highlights and enjoy the content. Grab your popcorn, guys. You're gonna need it. And of course, coming up real soon in December of this year, guys, is Bitcoin Mina in Abu Dhabi and the Global Blockchain Show in Dubai. Guys, these events are gonna be huge. I absolutely cannot contain my excitement. You guys know that these are some of the biggest, and I mean the biggest, crypto Web3 blockchain events in the world. No exaggeration. It's gonna be absolutely lit with unprecedented networking and positive vibes all around. And of course, if you're gonna be attending, guys, send me a message. We can network, grab drinks, discuss new projects. I'm all in, guys. You already know what it is. All right, now for the meat and potatoes of today's video. Today's huge news, guys. We got a super hot project that's gonna be going to the moon, baby. Skyrocketing on the charts. Let's jump right into Pepeto. So for anyone who doesn't remember, we've already done one video on Pepeto, guys. This project is a meme coin with greater marketing and utility value. Pepeto stands for power, energy, precision, efficiency, technology, and optimization. The god of frogs, guys, Pepeto went through eras to make all these documents available and start the journey of being the most hyper utility token in 2025. They're bringing a lot of value to the table, guys, with their bridge where they're gathering all blockchains, their exchange, the new technology, swap between pairs. And basically what I want to do in this video, guys, is compare Pepe Unchained to Pepeto. This is Pepe Unchained, guys. You guys might be familiar with this project as well. So Pepe Unchained offers layer 2 tech, which is useful and offers scaling opportunities, especially during high traffic periods as well. Yeah, for sure, guys. You see all of that information right here with their layer 2 page. However, guys, I wanted to show you that Pepeto brings real value with zero fee cross-chain trading, liquidity options, and a platform for tokens owners to list their tokens. Pepeto's bridge, exchange, and swaps create strong growth and benefits for all investors, guys. They're essentially offering unmatched value with zero fee cross-chain trading, liquidity options, and a unique platform for token listings. With its bridge, guys, their exchange and swap features, Pepeto is designed to drive growth and reward its community, giving investors powerful tools and real benefits. So if we click the apply now button, and it leads you to this page here. This is very easy to fill out for any token holder, guys, and even Pepe Unchained can be listed in Pepe's exchange. So you write in the project details, the email address, which chain the token is on, and the nature of the project, if it's DeFi, NFT, memes, layer 1s, etc. There's also an official website, the project value, and the audit link of the project. Now, guys, I want to show you this article right here. Pepeto, the next meme coin to surpass Pepe in 2025 with unmatched story value and community support. The price prediction potential for unmatched gains. If an investor puts $10,000 into Pepeto at its current pre-sale price and Pepeto's price rises to match Pepe's price, then we can calculate the estimated gains as follows. It would grow to over $1 million, guys, representing a substantial gain. Of course, the market would have to do some crazy things for this to happen, but it's definitely possible. Who knows, guys? Donald Trump just got elected, so Bitcoin might just go crazy. Crypto in general might just go crazy. This means that an investor could see returns of over 100 times their initial investment thanks to its strong meme community and the unique value that Pepeto brings, bridging blockchains, providing a swap-enabled exchange, guys, and offering staking rewards. Many believe Pepeto could match or even exceed Pepe's price. Then they go over some more aspects like rumored origins, the revolutionary value, and is Pepeto the new Pepe, which a lot of people are saying that it is. In conclusion, guys, some key takeaways from this project. For the moment, I think that the best meme coin to invest in for the bull run is Pepeto. Pepe Unchained is good, but for me, Pepeto's value and story convinced me more, especially that the project is new, which means that the price is still cheaper and has staking advantages. The current price of Pepe Unchained is 0.01209, whilst Pepeto is currently way cheaper, guys. Make sure you do your due diligence on this project, guys. Do your research, do your own research, and make sure that you're comfortable with this project. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's good.
Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lamb Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hollow Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we aren't impartial channels, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. Group hug, group hug. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out. Really really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing some more crypto reviews and exclusive international blockchain events. We are the channel for that, guys, as you know. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.